Professor Jacek Błaszkiewicz is head of the European Center for Bioinformatics and Genomics and the deputy director of the Institute of Computing Science at the Technical University of Poznan. He also conducts research at the Institute of Bioorganic Chemistry at the Polish Academy of Sciences in Poznan. He has been associated with Poznan from the very beginning of his academic career. He received his doctorate and habilitation degree from the Technical University of Poznan. He also worked at the Adam Mickiewicz University in Poznan for several years. He is the author of 15 monographs and has written 320 original papers. Professor Erwin Pesz conducts scientific work and lectures at the University of Siegen. He obtained his doctorate in mathematics and habilitation degree in business administration, both from the Technical University of Darmstadt. He worked as a software engineer at the Commerzbank in Frankfurt, as an assistant professor at the universities of Maastricht for more than 5 years, and became a full professor at the University of Bonn, where he worked for more than 7 years. He has published 4 books and nearly 140 scientific papers. Professors Błaszkiewicz and Pesz met for the first time during the German Operations Research Conference at the University of Darmstadt in 1986, where Professor Błaszkiewicz presented a lecture on scheduling and Professor Pesz was working on his doctorate. The meeting gave rise to their long-term academic collaboration, which continues to this day. Exactly 20 years ago, in 1992, Professor Pesz visited the Institute of Computing Science in Poznan for the first time. The laureates have conducted joint research into the use of IT tools for the optimization of manufacturing processes. Professors Błaszkiewicz and Pesz develop algorithms for scheduling tasks so that they can be completed in the shortest time and at the lowest possible cost. The results of their research laid the basis for process optimization in the production and logistics of many medium-sized and larger companies. Among others, there are problems of how to use limited resources effectively. For example, at airports, airport gates, personnel, aircraft tow tractors, runways, etc. Other applications arise in just-in-time production of screw orders or automotive brake systems to keep the inventory cost at a minimum level, but large enough to balance unpredictable events like machine breakdowns, delayed procurement of raw materials, etc. The most recent applications deal with problems in container transshipment at railway hubs or seaports. In this context, there are many extremely difficult problems to be solved, one of which is the interaction of different cranes handling container movements in the same operating area. Bioinformatics, especially the analysis and sequencing of DNA chains, is yet another area where the laureates have been successful. As a result of their collaboration, the professors have co-authored over 30 academic publications, including the monograph Scheduling Computer and Manufacturing Processes and the publication Handbooks in Information Systems, which they have also co-written. In addition to scientific research, the pair also undertake joint projects supporting young scientists from Poland and Germany. They have tutored 20 doctoral students and graduates, initiated a student exchange program between their universities, as well as conducted a series of research seminars at the 2 universities. The over 20 years of academic collaboration between Professors Błaszkiewicz and Pesz is excellent proof that science knows no boundaries, and furthermore can benefit from the creativity resulting from the meeting of 2 different countries, languages, and cultures.